Action! This is how we made The Sound of Violet, day 6. I'm in downtown Seattle. This is where one of our main characters lives. Her name is Ruth, and this is her home that she shares with her grandson. So we are getting ready to film this scene. We're getting lights and everything set up. That's Jan Darcy, she's playing Ruth. And then the hair and makeup are working over in this room here, getting our actors ready. Very exciting. I'll take you down to the actual set, which is this way. A lot of chaos happening. This is, let me show you wardrobe. This is wardrobe in here. Yes. And then let's go visit the actual set. This is it. You can see that we're just getting ready to film the scene. She'll pull the bed back, sit down, and then change, like maybe start to take off her shirt or something, and then he walks into the room here and sees her. And then backs out of the room. Let's take it from the beginning. Action.
We should get this business part out of the way first.
Business part? Didn't know you were changing.
We should get the business part out of the way first.
Business part? Didn't know you were changing.
You're new at this. I get it.
Going again, pictures up.
Action. I'm hoping we make our day. We have to make our day. We have no choice about it. That usually means toward the end of the day, you start doing things with one shot. Whereas at the beginning of the day, you're doing it all from different angles and just really spending time with it. And then you realize, oh my gosh, we have 30 minutes left and we have 2 scenes to film. And then you're just like, okay, you gotta get this all in one shot. All the characters are gonna face the same way in the camera. So that kind of happened yesterday. Okay, now we're gonna film this scene.
Okay.
It's not the end of the day yet.
What about your spiritual life? Are you a follower of Jesus?
Sure.
What's the name of your church?
Church of the Holy Grail.
Who's your pastor? Monty Python?